Unfortunately, the methods and the tactics and the strategies and the choices and decision making on Capitol Hill in Seattle and within a city council in Pacific Northwest are those colonizers, other than those veterans who fought their wars to observe in hallways now, are no different than a Frantz Fanon book in a college classroom. A philosophy and a theory Antifa wrote about in their Pressy at the University of Chicago. And within those words and those silences of quiet mathematics, there's an easy equation to never forget when giving up and hiding from their sounds they make. Coincidentally, spontaneously, when I blink from my attention and my awareness, here's their voice and dominance now. And these distractions and these confusions, Mr. Governor Jay Inslee calls climate change, are neuroscience observers watching behavior at a football game with no audience, at a university of Huskies and Cougars, doctors and swimmers and fraternity enlistees now. These processes in this system of racism and Black Lives Matters and an alphabet mysteriously a secret in a gift of visual neuroscience now. In other words, time, attention and awareness, plus those other parts of a mathematical equation in a book about differential equations, any observer can read with their own two eyes and say with their crooked teeth, and laughing smile, can write with their own two hands. And though those hands write so proudly, those neurons don't operate when those synapses listen for an echo and a sound and say freedom has no residence on an earth, an object of science and a mind they call a brain in a hallucination with lots more death and suffering and dying, inevitably in answer to a riddle they all find, locate, and eliminate to solve their bigger problem with legal drugs, prostitution, and sex robots for their La Familia of psycholinguistics and a pervert's obvious glance and a child molester's gentle touch. They, them, this, it, and they, and their body needs for their dominance to have an echo they demand, require, and control now.